Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to hide notch in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to hide notch, you want to use Redmi mobile hide notch setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile hide notch setting, how to hide notch in Redmi mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So friends, first of all we will turn on Redmi mobile setting. After turn on setting friends, you can see your mobile top area, notch area. You want to hide in your Redmi mobile. How to hide notch top area? First of all friends, we will turn on Redmi mobile notification and control center setting. App notification setting friends, you can use, you can on and you can off your app notification. Control center style friends, you can see old version and new version friends you want to use friends, you can see pull down status bar on the left to view notification, and right friends you can use your control center setting. If you tap here, so friends you can see right side you can use control center setting and left side you can check notification. But friends, if you click here old version, so if you swipe here, so you can check notification and you can use your tool settings. Okay, status bar notification, show notification icon you want to show, so you can show network speed, you can on battery percentage, you can hide and you can show battery percentage. Hide notch settings, second last option. If you tap here, you want to hide notch in Redmi mobile top area, your mobile top area. How to hide? If you tap here friends, you can see top area will hide, notch area will hide in your Redmi mobile. You cannot use your notch top area friends, you cannot check in your Redmi mobile. For an example friends, now we will on calendar app friends, you can see notch area top area will hide in your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can hide notch, you can hide your mobile top area, and you can use notch hide setting. And friends, you want to hide notch with shortcut settings, so you can hide. If you tap here setting icon, so friends we will search here hide notch setting, HID hide notch, and no TCH notch hide notch. If you tap here, so friends you can see notch will unhide, and if you tap here, your notch will hide, your top area will hide in your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can hide notch in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To even doubt, have any problem in Redmi mobile notification control center settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.